Meet the Louis Vuitton Locum Pouch, a new modern iconic bag that would make your wardrobe smile. This Locum pouch is made with a sleek design and it's crafted in bicolor shade, which makes it daily interesting. The body is crafted in grained calfskin and it's spacious enough to go from day to night. This bag is all you need if you want to carry a small mid-size bag that fits all. The inside comes with a microfiber-lined middle pocket that fits your smartphone and protects it. There is also a zip pocket in the back. The bag is secured with a signature clasp of the Locum line. The chain is removable and can be used to carry crossbody or on the shoulder. This bag measures 7.5 x 3.7 x 1.6 inches and is priced at $1680, 2,050 Canadian dollars, 1,200 euros, pound GBP 1130, $HKD 1400.